In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your subscriptions to your YouTube channel's main page using your mobile device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up any web browser. You need to open up web browser because you can do that using YouTube app or YouTube Studio app. So I'm just gonna open up Safari web browser and then just go to youtube.com. Once you did that, hit at these two characters icon on your iPhone and select Request Desktop Website. If you got Android device, the process is similar. Then log into your YouTube account. I did that before, and after that you can pinch it actually. And after that you can tap at that your profile picture and select your channel. That opens up your channel main page, and from here you should tap at Customize Channel. After that, let me zoom it again. After that, hit at this Add Section setting, scroll down and select Subscriptions. And that will add your subscriptions to your YouTube channel main page. After that, just don't forget to hit Add Publish to save the changes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.